Just because your lawn is yellow does not necessarily mean it just needs more water. In this particular case, it's something called bluegrass weevil. It is something that's chewing up the lawn. Here's an easy way for you to find out if something is affecting your lawn. Take your hand and grab a nice deep handful and peel it back. If it peels back nice and easy, high probability something is chewing on it. We're not talking about just grabbing the surface and pulling that and pulling the blades. If you have dry grass, it will do that as well, but peel it back. If it peels back super easy, just let us know. We'll come out for free and treat this. If you want to actually find these things, you're going to want to find them right around the area between the yellow and the green. That's where they're going to be the most active. Peel it back, sift through the area right around the root zone, the thatch layer. This is where they're going to be. They will be a white larvae with a red tip. That's what's doing the damage. They then turn into an adult beetle. And then there's also a high probability they will lay eggs, and this is going to be a thing next year as well. So make sure we're aware of it. We'll get out here, we'll handle this for free. It's included in your program.